Let's see how to turn any picture in 3D animation in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, go to my copy page. I will provide the link in the description of this video. Scroll down and click on this page. Once it's opened, get the file by clicking on this button. Now unzip the zip file. In this folder, double click on the project DRP file to open it in DaVinci Resolve. Name your project. Once the file is loaded, you will see that the media is offline for two assets. To relink them, in the edit page in the media pool, right click, relink clips for bin. Find the folder where you unzip the file and go to the media files. Once you see these two folders, click on select folder, and now the media has been relinked successfully. If I go to the Fusion page, I can see the animation. Now if you want to upload another picture here, I have already provided instructions in this node, but this is how to do it. First of all, we have to delete this node. Then in the Fusion page in the media pool, right click, import media, and find your other picture. I will load another flag. Click and drag your picture in this section. You can rename it if you want by clicking F2. And now link this node to the animation node. Just like that, you have already turned your picture into a 3D animation. And if you like more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and till the next time. Bye.